Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get approved here in Medicaid. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, to do so, all you have to do is first of all access your browser and simply type in medicaid.gov. Upon doing that, you will be able to land on the official website, and right over here, first thing to know is that it's gonna be different for each the state that you belong and you have applied for Medicaid from. For example, let's learn how to apply for coverage, and now you will be able to access all the recent status and recent updates regarding Medicaid right over here. But for you to actually get approved, you can see right below we have eligibility requirements. For that, you have to simply check out the eligibility. If you are fit into those requirements, that it is very easy for them to proceed further and approve you. If you do not fit into any of that, then your application will be cancelled again and again. So for that, simply first of all go to this apply now section, and now simply have to scroll down a bit, and you can see we have plenty of states available where Medicaid is there. So all you have to do is simply find your particular state, and it's gonna differ according to the state that you are in. So for just example, I'm going to show you. All you have to do is simply, so let's say we have Michigan over here. All we have to do is tap on this link below, and this will access their official website. So right over here for this particular state, you have to tap on this assistance programs and go to this section of Medicaid right over here. Go to Medicaid afterwards, and right now you can see tap on this individual afterwards. And here in this section you do have plenty of option. All you have to do is tap on this apply for assistance right over here, and just so you know, this is just an example, and now you will be able to seek out all of this available. You can see eligibility group description. All you have to do is tap on it, and now you will be able to check out the eligibility for children, pregnant women, adults, families. These are the category, and accordingly there are eligibility listed. If you fit in all of this, you will be able to simply apply for it. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.